I don't know. This is my bike check video, so this thing spins forever, so whatever. So here on the front, I got well, for starters, my bars are stock Redline bars. My hollow point stem is actually stock. My forks are actually stock Redline, and my cranks are stock Redline cranks. So let's get into this. My front rim is a Primo. I got a oil spill hub. It was the same price either way, so I just went with it. And then built-in hub guards. I got Odyssey pegs. And I got these ODI red, those really ultra soft freaking grips. And then I got Odyssey Twisted Series red and black pedals. I got a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain here. This is a Colt sprocket with a built-in sprocket guard. Then I got a Mutant Bikes rear hub guard. And another Odyssey peg, of course. And then over here on the back rim, I've got a Colt back rim with a red Odyssey hub. So, yeah. And I got grenade valve caps yesterday just because they look really cool. Look, it's just not done spinning. It just don't want to stop. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, and the bike overall is a Redline structure. So, yeah. It's a pretty good bike. It's a super good bike. And let's just wait for this to stop spinning. Let's just do it. Just for the hell of it. 2 hours later. Oh, and I made my own grind wax. What do you think of this, peoples? Our next video will be on how to make your own grind wax. So, yeah, it's pretty awesome. I am waiting. Oh yeah, and then
Don't let me freaking hanging.
and then my seat's also a stock Redline seat. So yeah, the bike's pretty good and all, and then that's it. Did I already say what my tires are?
Yeah.
Are you sure? I don't think I did, but just to be safe, they're Tom Duggan's signature Odyssey tires. So yeah, they're pretty good. Alrighty, well, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe, because I need some subscribers. And yeah, bye YouTube.